You're almost 30, I believe, way mature than me. The thing which you have said about this shows how illiterate you are, Niharika. I'm ashamed to have shared the same platform with you. The reply, हाँ चल, तू चाटने में ध्यान दे. I'm telling you, she doesn't have any education. पूरा वॉइस सुनाओ ना. मैं तो ये बोलती हूँ भाई, तुम क्यों आधा वॉइस सुना रहे हो? तुम पूरा वॉइस सुनाओ.
तुम बोलेगा कभी ये मुझे पता नहीं था. तेरा आकांक्षा बोल सकती whatever she wants she can do. पर तू बोलेगा ये मुझे कभी नहीं लगा था. सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, पता है दुनिया में ना. तुम लोग जो कर रहे हो अभी शो के बाहर आके एक दूसरे को नीचा दिखा रहे हो. मतलब this is so horrendous, bro. Stop using my fucking name. Sorry, I have nothing against you, but if I start using your name, बहुत बुरा हो जाएगा.
क्योंकि I already knew about Apurva. I really liked her.
Did you really?
I really. That's what I'm
Till
saying.
the very end.
Till the very end.
No,
Even
I'm-
after the show, we were together, we were dating.
Mohit, when you had gone out in that 1 week, he completely flipped on you. Like when you came back.
हाँ, मेरे से तो बिगर फ्लिपर तो है मोहित ही है. And कुछ दिन पहले ही योगेश और आकांक्षा मिला भी था.
कहाँ?
I think शुभांगी के घर. I really feel bad for you.
So did it hurt you when Akansha did the exact
Yes.
opposite?
That's why I've written home break. Talking about
that's
somebody's armpits. You're talking about I'm getting foul smell from her body, and you being a man, you are laughing, you are clapping.
Hi guys, welcoming you to yet another episode of Snitch Presents Off the Record only on Nine with me, Nayandeep. And Aaj I'm back to my favorite Snitch store to get my look done for this episode with the queen of Splitsvilla 16, Anushka Ghosh. So what are we waiting for? Let's go pick some stuff. As you all must have seen that I put together this look from Snitch only for Anushka, and I'll tell you why. Because from the time I've been watching Splitsvilla, first of all, she's a fellow Bengali, so there is a sense of loyalty, of course. But as Bengalis, we are brought up to be just one thing, fearless. And that's why I chose this outfit. So I want to ask you before I begin, this episode of Off the Record with me, Nayan, is powered by Snitch. And I usually go and put together a look before every episode. Audience will understand. How would you rate my look for today?
I will definitely say 10 on 10. Because come on, he already said it's fearless, and we are. I
That's
don't know
true.
it's in Bengali genes or what, but we are literally, we're the only species I feel who are fearless. We don't fear.
No, I feel like we are very progressive. There must be a lot of other people from different communities who are brought up that way. But since we began this conversation on that note, Anushka, I want to ask you, I have to ask you this, that बहुत time ऐसा होता है कि Bengalis, there are certain stereotypes, जैसे चक्ष के साथ, when I was talking, he said that he was upset with the way Sardars have always been represented in movies in a very funny, comical way, because they're more than just that. That's the Sardar jokes, right? Similarly, I feel that as Bengalis, हम लोग भी बहुत स्टीरियोटाइप होते हैं, काला जादू काला जादू काला जादू, ओ तुम सब कुछ खाते हो, तुम लोग कुछ पीते नहीं हो,
कुछ गुड़िया बना के वो
तो
चीजें करते
हम
हो.
लोग कॉफी खाते हैं. আমরা কফি খাই, কি প্রবলেম ভাই? খাই আমরা কফি খাই.
So initially, if I have to
गुड़िया
say,
बनाते हैं, that I will come to. But what do you have to say about the xenophobic comments that are given to any community, not just Bengali, because we are Bengalis, we are talking about it, but we have progressed so much in life, but xenophobia has still not stopped.
But progression doesn't mean everything. They are not humans at the end of the day, I feel like. They lack humanity. अगर उनको पता चलता कि वो लोग क्या बोल रहे हो, आप एक कम्युनिटी के बारे में बोल रहे हो, एक बेसिक जो एजुकेशन होता है ना, जो कि आपको आपके फैमिली से आता है, एक कल्चर आपको मिलता है, like we can never say anything against any community, because I think we as Bengalis, and there are other communities as well, we see people as equal. हम लोग ऐसे स्टीरियोटाइप नहीं करते हैं चीजें कि you know जैसे आपने ब्लैक मैजिक बोल दिया तो चलो एक्सट्रीम हो गया. If I have to start from the baseline, people are like, oh, you like March. That's
Yeah.
a stereotype. I mean,
March
ठीक है.
I love March, so. But even if I wouldn't have been a Bengali, I would have loved March
Exactly.
as
Now,
much.
if I'm a vegetarian, let's say people will be like, oh my god, you're a Bengali, you're a vegetarian.
They don't realize that there are, I'm sorry to say this, guys, but come home when my mom is around, I will feed you 20 different dishes which are vegetarian.
Exactly. There are so many dishes, literally. And like, I don't know why they have this preconceived notion about our culture, about our community, that they think that Bengalis, you know, we are too dominating, we are too overpowering. अब देखो हम लोग dominating, overpowering नहीं है. We have a voice. And we don't want to suppress it. Right? We say it out loud. जो हमें को बोलना होता है हम बोलते हैं. Because as you said, we are progressive. And we understand the meaning of the term being progressive.
I'll tell you one more difference that I keep on fighting. Because I'm a Bengali, I'm also very opinionated and I'm also very argumentative.
Yeah.
And of course, I'm a man, but I know Bengali women are equally opinionated and
Yeah.
they are strong and vocal with their
Very
opinions.
much.
I will say this out aloud that we as Bengalis, and I can speak because I have been raised in a very middle class Bengali household. I am brought up in a family where my mother, my father, and we are two brothers, my Dada Bhai and me. We are all given equal voice.
Exactly.
My mother has been a homemaker, but there has not been one single decision. We have just got a home. I've just got another home just opposite here. But doesn't matter. Everybody's opinions, everybody's choices are heard. That you want this
Yeah.
color, okay, let me do it this way. My mother's room, my mother wants it a certain way. Even if in my room, my mother suggests something which I think is better than my suggestion, we take it.
But you know what, Nan, what I feel, like I've seen, because I'm also Bengali, I was born and brought up over there. What I've seen is, like in Bengali household, just a middle class family, I also come from a middle class family. Like our mothers are the boss.
Absolutely.
And our fathers love it.
And our fathers would not have it any other way.
Yes, they love it. They're
I
like,
agree.
They're like, your mom is like a superstar. Let her do it.
Can I
It's her
tell you
domain."
something? It's so amazing that in our community, I'm very happy we
Yeah.
brought it up in the beginning because let's put this out loud because I wanted to discuss this for the longest time
Yeah,
with you.
same here.
I feel Bengalis as a community, we all Bengalis, we worship Devi.
Yeah.
Not putting down any other god, but हमारे लिए सबसे important है देवी
Devi
माँ,
माँ.
Kali माँ, Durga माँ, Lakshmi माँ, Saraswati माँ. We actually celebrate these festivals more than any other festivals. So we have always been, like I'm getting goosebumps saying this because I'm a
Exactly.
deeply spiritual person.
Exactly.
And I'm genuinely saying this out aloud that we have always worshipped the woman force, the female force. We have celebrated femininity like no other culture.
Yeah.
We celebrate femininity not just in women but in men.
Yes.
Okay, we have Dhunuchi Nach, we have a Karan Johar, and we have a Ranveer Singh dancing with
Oh.
Tota Roy Chaudhary in Rocky or Rani because that's our culture. And I'm sorry, I'm genuinely getting goosebumps
Exactly.
because I
Like
need to.
same here. I got the goosebumps as
So,
well.
and Amrana, I'm sorry to say, our fathers, if they have a daughter, like my Masi's daughter, is like my elder sibling forever. My dad calls her Ma.
Yeah.
हमारे घर पे, if you will always see most of the fathers call their daughters Ma.
Ma.
That is
That's exactly
enough.
what my dad also calls me. Ma.
Shona Ma, Ei Ma, Oi Ma, Shonna Ma.
So sweet. That's
So before
sweet.
disrespecting our community, just remember that our women are strong because they are given the power to not just have a voice but also raise the voice for the right reasons.
I also believe जैसे कि ये topics है ना, these are very crucial topics, and if we start speaking more about it ना, change will come. Because
But the
change-
xenophobia is real, bro.
It is.
It is too much.
For sure.
What was your reaction when you heard it? Were you on good terms with Saurabh and Niharika on the show, after the show? Were you shocked and surprised because the conversation was about somebody else? Saurabh said something else and then Niharika just said, नहीं पर गुड्डा तो अनुष्का करेगी.
So I'll tell you what, like, I understand. So I'm very good with observation. Like, I only mingle with people whom I feel that they are being real. In real life as well. Like, I'm not only talking about the game. But when I met Niharika, na, day one pe I understood how she is, honestly speaking.
Which is how?
she's not what she is. She's like, of course, she's a great performer. जो है उनका मैं बोलूँगी. But she's a very cunning and an evil woman. Very much. Because, see, she's way older than me, first of all. Now, you are commenting on somebody at a national television where we are like, you know, we are the icons right now. There are a lot of people who watches us, you know, they get inspiration from us. आप अगर आपका जो ये वॉइस है एक प्लेटफॉर्म में आप ऐसे यूज कर रहे हो, आप बोल रहे हो कि अरे गुड़िया तो अनुष्का बनाती है, दैट इज लाइक सो स्टूपिड. आई फील I don't know what should I say, like she being cunning or she being dumb or she being stupid. I don't know what it is.
Did you kind of try to speak to her?
Of course I did. I can show you the chat as well. Like you know what I did? I'll show you. And also I want to show the replies as well. You will be flabbergasted to see the replies. You will feel like, what?
Would you be comfortable if we share screenshots of that?
Of course. So I texted her very nicely, very politely that, listen, it's about my community. Don't bring my community in this. So these are the, yeah. Okay, so here I started. You're almost 30, I believe, way mature than me. The thing which you have said about this shows how illiterate you are, Niharika. I'm ashamed to have shared the same platform with you. Because you know what? I don't have any problem. You give me hate, you call me anything, whatever the hell you want. But you need to understand, if me being a Bengali, you're targeting me that she does Kala Jadoo. It's not only me, you're targeting the entire community.
And where are we learning Kala Jadoo? Please tell me. No, I want to know. I've also been tired of hearing this.
So then she's like, and just see her reply. I'm 28. Haha. She's not even ashamed that she said that.
No, at 28, don't you have the knowledge? I'm sorry to say, but don't you have the basic decency and knowledge to respect other communities?
You are laughing. I'm 28. She's laughing. She could have just said a sorry. That, you know, sorry. I would have been like, okay, that's fine.
What has he said?
And I wrote, yes, please be proud of that and your education. And moreover, if you're a human, come and apologize. The reply, ha chal, tu chaatne mein dhyan de. I'm telling you, she doesn't have any education. Because there's a way of speaking. ठीक है, मैंने भी बहुत चिल्लाया शो में, I was one of the कलेशी औरत over there, but I never crossed the boundary. I never used something which will prove that I'm a छपड़ी. आपको दो चीज सारे स्किट्स विलन मेरे बारे में बोलेंगे, मेरे दोस्त हो दुश्मन हो. Number 1, I'm a flipper. Number 2, I really liked her.
Did you really?
I really liked. That's what I'm saying.
Till the very end.
Till the very end. Even after the show, we were together, we were dating.
For how much time? Show ended in Jan.
So we came back.
Jan?
Yeah, he came to Delhi also. Like, he stayed at my home. And we had a fun time and everything. And so we dated around 1.5 months.
And then why did you stop dating? Like, what happened in between?
Because he was not sure that whether we are dating or not.
Acha.
Yeah. But you understand me? Like, we came to BYOG as well, जो कशिश के साथ हमारा हुआ था. And there he said that, yeah, we are dating. And I was like, yeah, we are. Because at that time, I was very sure about it. I really liked him. यार. Show में भी आप देख सकते हो. I never changed a connection. I could have very easily, but I never did.
With who?
I would have made a connection with Diptanshu.
I would have loved it.
Yeah, by makers भी हम
But
लोगों.
Sandy also loves Diptanshu. Like, Sandy's love for Diptanshu is real, and I know it. Like, बिचारी, like, she really likes.
But I'll tell you what, हमारा
उनके बीच
ना.
में जो भी है वो है, but you and Diptanshu would be fun to watch because
Yeah.
both of you are like
It's not love
Tom
angle,
and
I'm
Jerry.
saying. No,
हाँ.
love angle का नहीं है. But
I
होता है
to
ना
love
कि-
parts where both of you are at each other. I think you guys will make for great friends outside the show
Yeah.
if you ever try.
And we are.
Oh,
Right
you
now.
are. Oh, fantastic!
We are.
I love
Like-
Diptanshu, by the way.
He's a fun guy. यार.
I love
ठीक है,
him.
मैं उसको पता है मैंने क्या बोला कि देख तूने मुझे रेज बेट किया, मैंने तो तेरे को रेज बेट किया. हमने दोनों एक दूसरे को किया. And at least I told him one thing that तेरे में दिमाग था.
बहुत.
तूने मुझे निकाल दिया था शो से.
I'm being honest. I of course didn't like him for that. I told him that.
But he knew that, for a
But
fact, you know what?
That
I'll
he will
tell
come
you.
back.
I'll tell you. I asked him that you knew, right, Diptanshu, that इतना easily तो मैं जाने वाली नहीं हूँ. He said, yeah, I knew the fact that you were coming back to the show. I knew it. तो मैंने बोला तो क्यों किया? उसने बोला मैं दिखाना चाहता था मेकर्स को कि मैं एक बहुत बड़ा एक होता है ना ताश फेंक सकता हूँ. And he did that.
No, but I genuinely feel among all the guys, the person who's played it smartly,
यार,
who's understood
दिमाग
the
तो है.
game, is Diptanshu. That's the biggest
And he
reason I like
understood
him.
the game. पता है उसने ना स्टोरी पकड़ लिया. देखो उसका सैंडी के साथ एक स्टोरी चल रहा है, उसका मेरे साथ भी एक स्टोरी चल रहा है कि मेरा दुश्मन सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन वो है. दो
और
स्टोरी
funny है
चल रही
कोई. I don't feel it's dirty between the
है.
two
एक
of you.
टाइम में मैं बहुत गुस्सा हो जाती थी भाई, मेरा दिमाग गर्म होता था, जूता मूता फेंक के मारना
But
चाहती
you
थी.
still wanted to make a pairing with Diptanshu. That's what makes it less
Now
dirty.
when I came out of the show, not in the show I wanted. No, not in the show. Like now that I've come back and now I'm watching all the
But
episodes.
didn't anybody say, didn't some of your co-contestants claim that you were trying to pair up with Yogesh? At one point?
I'll come to that. But how about Diptanshu, even हमारे जो host थे ना, वो भी hints देते थे कि यार आइडियल मैच तुम दोनों ही हो. कलेशी औरत तो सबसे ज्यादा विलन में अनुष्का है, तो आई थिंक द आइडियल मैच इज Diptanshu. एंड नाउ आई फील अगर मैं Diptanshu के साथ शायद से पेयर अप करती, इट वुड हैव बीन ग्रेट. इसमें दिमाग है.
What made you choose Mohit then?
आई लाइक्ड हिम, आई टोल्ड यू ना.
But tell me something, Mohit, when you had gone out in that 1 week, he completely flipped on you. Like when you came back.
हाँ, मेरे से तो बिगर फ्लिपर तो भाई मोहित ही है. सॉरी, आई एम नॉट द बिगेस्ट फ्लिपर, आई एम द सेकंड फ्लिपर ऑफ द
We
villa.
all could see it that he again got back with you for the immunity. It seemed like
Because he
that.
understood that he can forge forward, into the game being with me only. He understood.
But तखनो बुझे नहीं, मतलब that time also you didn't understand that this could have gone against you on the show if you're there to win the show. He could have just
यार,
gone MIA on you and just dumped you for anybody else. If he could do it once, when a guy or a girl can dump you once, they can do it again.
yes, true, but क्या होता है ना यार, ये आप जब किसी को लाइक करते हो ना आप, because at first I thought like he's the innocent guy of the villa. Like होता है ना कि भाई ये तो गेम के लिए बना ही नहीं है.
But वो गेम के लिए बना नहीं है, ये तो बात सच है.
What?
देखो नहीं, I'm not saying in a bad way. Sometimes let's be very honest that sometimes the most silent ones are not visible because they are silent, and I mean it in that way.
And
Doesn't
he
mean that
also
they are
has a
bad.
very bad trait, which I feel it's very bad. I've told him multiple times. He always wants to be in good books with everyone. जैसे कि उसका गुल्लू के साथ झमेला हुआ, he still wants to be in a good books with him. Why? अगर आप किसी को
Some
पसंद
people
नहीं
are
करते
people
हो,
pleasers.
but why? Why? If you don't, because आप रूम में आके उसका बिचिंग कर रहे हो मेरे साथ और सुबह उसको तेल मारने जा रहे हो. Now I'm a girl, जैसे कि I think me and Mohit, we were the only couple जो कोई alliance में नहीं था.
Yeah.
Because if you have seen till now, there are two alliances. एक है गुल्लू गैंग, एक है हमारा योगेश वाला गैंग, जो योगेश, हिमांशु, ये आयुष वाला जो गैंग था, और एक है गुल्लू, गौरेश, आकांक्षा, ये वाला गैंग. मिड में थे हम दोनों, क्योंकि मुझे कोई ग्रुप में नहीं जाना था. मैं किसी को फॉलो नहीं कर सकती. वो आके बोलेगा कि आज नहीं ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, मुझे जो करना होगा मैं करूँगी. तो मैंने डे 1 पे बोल दिया था, भाई देखो मुझे इस साइड भी आना है, इस साइड भी आना है. अब फिर लाइक इट्स ऑन मी. तो मोहित यूज्ड टू बी द वन हु यूज्ड टू गो इन बोथ द थिंग्स. यहाँ पे जा रहा है, यहाँ पे भी जा रहा है. तो मैं उसको बोलती थी क्यों जा रहा है, तेरे को अगर डर लग रहा है कि तू एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा, दोगला मत बन. दैट्स व्हाट, लाइक डोंट बी अ दोगला. एंड उसके वजह से पीपल यूज्ड टू कॉल मी आल्सो दोगला, कि अनुष्का इज आल्सो ट्राइंग टू विन बोथ द गैंग्स. बट इट इज वेरी विजिबल. आई somehow kind of I was always there with Himanshu, because I feel like, again, आपने भी शो किया है नयन, you have done a reality show, it takes a lot of guts to speak. वो अलग बात है, वो बहुत बकता है, वो मेरा भाई है, मैं फिर भी उसको बोलती हूँ कि कभी चुप रहा कर, but still he speaks. Mohit on the other hand, he stammers literally. He has to open his mouth. He can't even
But what
keep his
happened to
point.
Mohit then when he didn't stammer, when he had to go against you in the last 2 episodes?
लोग वो, okay, here comes the snitch. So
Snitch. Love it.
so when let's say आप गलत हो, मैंने ये वीडियो में भी बोला जो कि बहुत वायरल चल रहा है अभी, कि even if you're wrong and you have an alliance जो कि ओ कर रहा है, आप ना अपने आप को राजा मान लेते. And even if you're right and you don't have an alliance and nobody's supporting you, you feel like, oh no, I'm doomed. This is exactly what happened with Mohit also at that time. Because everyone, for a fact, nobody liked me in the villa. This is true. And that's okay. मेरे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है बाहर. अब जब शो के बाहर आया है, जब people are meeting me, they are like, okay, they have seen who I am, what kind of a girl I am. Now I have a lot of friends from Splits.
Who? Who are the friends who were not friends inside? Now they are friends.
If inside तो Himanshu was also there, being my friend, because Himanshu के साथ actually बहुत बाद में मिली थी, जब merger हुआ था तब we met. Otherwise I feel like if we would have met पहले, तो हम लोग बहुत अच्छे दोस्त बनते. So Himanshu is there, Diksha also for a fact is there, Anisha is there, Chakshdeep is there.
Wow.
Simran is there. So yeah, I'm in good talking terms with everyone. But I feel like Himanshu has kind of become my family. Like he's a brother.
But I want to say this because I have met Kyra so many times. Kyra has also said the same about you.
हाँ.
Like she said that वो बहुत अकेली पड़ गई थी शो पे, जिसके लिए like a lot of times she did feel bad. Like of course you guys had arguments and you guys were in different alliances and everything, but she said that on a human level I did feel
But
bad.
she never came to me. She could have come off camera and also said कि हाँ don't worry, it's okay. But she never did that.
अच्छा, आज मिलेंगे ना हम लोग.
So one thing is there. See, even Ruru is not that great of a friend of mine. ठीक है? Saundarya is not that great of a friend of mine. We had beef. I didn't have any beef with Ruru, but when all these things are going on now outside, I called each one of them, asked them. I called each one of them and I made sure they are at least okay. Even I did the same thing with Akanksha. Like I met him into a party and at that time that breakup thing was going on. ये बहुत viral चल रहा था चीजें. So I told her कि if you ever need me, I'm there. Just one call away. I might not be your friend. Might not be your, someone who is close to you. But at least I'm there. Just know this. So I did it.
One question that I want to ask you is that Saurabh, when we were talking about it, before I move into the whole Mohit, Akansha, everything, because I want to. Actually, I'll start with that one. The thing that I want to ask you is that when Mohit ditched you in this episode and Akansha paired up with him, there was a moment where Akansha said that when she was going through the entire Yogesh and Ruru kind of a situation, she said that I would never do this to another woman, right? Does that look as a hypocritical statement? Do you keep it against, do you hold it against Akansha? Although it was a choice Mohit made. So I want to ask you that first, as a woman.
See, man, I literally didn't have any problem at that time, both of them pairing up. They are adults, they are ready to do it. They can do anything they want. But literally 3-4 दिन पहले, let me tell you, Ruru came. उसके 3-4 दिन पहले Ruru came. And she was exactly in the same situation. She cried, she did this, that, and we all cried with her. I cried. Went to her रात को villa में उसका room में and I made sure she's fine. Now, for me, मैं मोहित के टॉपिक में बाद में आती हूँ. मैं पहले आकांक्षा का बोल लेती हूँ. मुझे क्योंकि आधे चीज तो पहली बात तो यहाँ पे दिखाया जाता नहीं है. कैमरा ऑफ रहता है. रियलिटी हमेशा 24/7 ऑन नहीं रहता है.
True, I agree.
मुझे ये बात पता चली, आकांक्षा वाज द वन जो ऑफ कैमरा में रात में ही, जिस दिन हम झगड़ा कर रहे थे, मी एंड मोहित एंड गुल्लू वाज देयर लाफिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, उसी टाइम पे आकांक्षा केम एंड पिच्ड मोहित.
Which you bring up when you guys are on that podium. You do say that तूने ये किया है.
तूने पिच किया. हाँ, तो मैंने उसको ये बोला है कि ब्रो, हमारा एक मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हुआ है. तू अगर नैन मेरे पास एक बार आके बोलती, क्या देख अनुष्का, तेरा और उसका भी झगड़ा चल रहा है एंड ये वैसे भी पैसा चैलेंज है, तो कैन आई प्ले विथ हिम? यू टेक सम टाइम ऑफ, इफ एनी टाइम इन द फ्यूचर आई विल बी देयर फॉर यू. ऐसा भी कुछ बोल लेते हैं. मैंने क्या डू इट. रदर आई वुड हैव टोल्ड कि हाँ तू कर ले, अभी शायद से अभी मैं और मोहित जिस सिचुएशन में वी कांट प्ले टुगेदर, तो तू कर ले. मेरा यही था यार, यू आर द सेम सिचुएशन, तो एक बार मुझसे बात कर लेती. बिकॉज आई लिटरली क्राइड. प्रीत नोज इट, झलक नोज इट. दे आर नॉट माई फ्रेंड्स बट स्टिल दे हैव सीन इट ऑन दैट नाइट जब मेरा और मोहित का झगड़ा हुआ था. आई लिटरली क्राइड. थ्रू आउट द नाइट आई वाज क्राइंग एंड दे केम. So when Akanksha also saw this thing happen, I get it now. She's also here to play the game. She was there to play the game only, by the way. So मुझे एक बार लगा था कि यार पूछ लेती अगर एक बार आके तो.
But Yogesh, Akanksha, Ruru, the whole situation when it was happening, what was your reaction?
See, obviously एक दिन में योगेश ने flip कर लिया. That was wrong. That is definitely wrong. I'll still not support it even if Yogesh is my friend. But there is also one thing you need to understand. At the end of the day, everyone is playing a game now. कोई सेंट नहीं है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि रियलिटी शो का सिलेक्शन ही होता है. वो लोग जज कर लेते हैं लोगों को.
Do you feel that it was pre-planned from Ruru and Yogesh's side?
Might be. I really don't know.
Would you be shocked if it comes?
No. Because it's like Yogesh has done a reality show before. And Ruru has also done for the same. It might have been.
Was there any point of time जहाँ पे आपने योगेश को pitch किया था to play with you?
Never.
That was a conversation that was raised. I think Akanksha and Diksha.
And if you have under the sheets ना, and आपने लास्ट वाला एपिसोड देखा है जहाँ पे योगेश ने खुद आकांक्षा को बोल रहा था कि नहीं उसने कभी मुझे पिच नहीं किया, मोहित ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं.
Yeah.
तो योगेश ने खुद बता दिया ऐसा नहीं हुआ, तो आप जाके उसको भाई पहली बात तो ये थोड़ा बबल के अंदर रहती है आकांक्षा. लेट मी टेल यू, उसको मैंने एक बार बोला था. सी आई न्यू फॉर अ फैक्ट दैट योगेश इज हियर ओनली फॉर द गेम एंड व्हिच इज नॉट रॉन्ग यार. I was also there for the game. I did a lot of things.
It's a choice.
Yeah, a lot of things are coming also. Like अभी आएगा भी एपिसोड में, मैंने भी बहुत गेम खेला है. ऐसे ही क्वीन नहीं हूँ मैं, बाय द वे. ये जो बायो में लिख दिया है ना क्वीन, मैं इतनी भी पागल नहीं हूँ कि मैंने खुद को सेल्फ प्रोक्लेम्ड क्वीन बना दिया. ये होस्ट खुद बोलेंगे अभी आने वाले एपिसोड कि यू आर द क्वीन, यू द मास्टरमाइंड ऑफ द विला. इट विल कम. सो आई वुड जस्ट से वन थिंग. उसने जब ये बोला कि मैंने देखा अंडर द शीट्स में दैट अनुष्का वांटेड टू मेक अ कनेक्शन विथ योगेश. मैंने पता उसको क्या बोला था व्हेन मर्जर नहीं हुआ था, जब मैं प्यार विला में वापस आई थी. आई आस्क्ड हिम हु इज योर कनेक्शन. आई ऑलरेडी न्यू इट्स योगेश. आई स्टार्टेड द कन्वर्सेशन. मी ट्राइंग टू बी अ नाइस फ्रेंड टू, बिकॉज आई न्यू आकांक्षा बिफोर द शो. तो मैंने जैसे उसको ये बोल दिया था, डोंट क्विकली ट्रस्ट एनीवन, डोंट फॉल इन लव, just try to be okay. मैंने डे वन पे बोला था कि नहीं, when I was in the पैसा विला, I told this ना वीडी में कि योगेश is a player, he's just here for the game. I did say it in my VD. And वही हुआ. तो just
Did you feel hurt for Akanksha when
of course I
Did you have
was
a-
crying.
You were crying?
Yeah, entertainment task में जब योगेश ने रूरू का I love you बोला, I was like fuck. It's wrong.
Did you go up to Akanksha and speak?
Of course I did.
So did it hurt you when Akanksha did the exact
Yes.
opposite?
That's why I've written homebreaker because देखो शो के एंड तक सबको पता चलेगा क्यों लिखा है मैंने. क्योंकि यार मैं थी ना 50 दिन वहां पे, ऑफ कैमरा में बहुत बातें होती है, एडिट्स पे उसका आधा चीज नहीं आता है जो
क्या
होता
है
है.
ऐसा जिसकी वजह से you wrote homebreaker?
She was being very desperate to break the connection. I understand she's there for the game, but मौके पे हमेशा छक्का मारना नहीं, उसको स्मार्ट नहीं बोलते. You know, at the end you're a human. And उसको बहुत अच्छे से पता था how much I liked Mohit. Even Zalak for a fact. Zalak is not a friend, but still for a fact she liked Gaurish. Just because you don't have a connection now, किसी का भी कुछ झगड़ा हो रहा है बीच में घुस रहे हो आप. अरे टाइम तो दो. If you're a woman, just understand, bro. I mean, you are in the same position. जहाँ पे मैं अभी हूँ वहाँ पे आप थे 3-4 दिन पहले, तो एटलीस्ट थोड़ा टाइम तो बोलो कि अनुष्का यू टेक टाइम, मोहित यू टेक टाइम, या Zalak, Gaurish टेक टाइम. And then if you guys decide to part ways, you can form a connection with me. Simple.
Did Zalak ever come and tell you that she was not comfortable
Of course. आने वाला एपिसोड पे बहुत कुछ देखना.
मुझे
ऐसे ही नहीं लिखा है मैंने homebreaker, मैं पागल नहीं हूँ.
Now I want to ask you a question. I understand you writing homebreaker. You know that I like you, but I couldn't agree with the homebreaker part. I'll tell you why. Because when you are with somebody, if I am Anushka, my expectations can be from my connection. If my connection goes to somebody else, I have to first question my connection. When they asked you why I didn't like it, why I don't agree, because when Mia or Urfi asked you that अगर मोहित होता तो आप क्या लिखते? You said nothing because I like him.
No, I didn't say like
In
him.
the video, you
I
said that
just-
I like him, so I will never write anything on him.
Yeah.
Okay. So my point is, I felt that was wrong. If
Okay.
a man is cheating, not cheating,
Not
I'm saying
cheating,
that
it's a very big term.
It's a very big term. If a man is leaving his connection for some other girl, then first the man needs to be questioned. When women fight women, everybody enjoys, but the man never gets questioned. Why didn't you question him?
Okay, now coming back to this point. Then, first of all, she was clapping when Mohit switched. Number 2, अगर आपने आकांक्षा का VD सुना होगा, Mohit wanted to pair up with me only. उस पोडियम में खड़े होके he instantly changed the decision because he was full of rage. He thought that the connection is over. आकांक्षा ने खुद बोला है कि मोहित ने आकांक्षा को मना कर दिया था कि नो आई एम नॉट गोना प्ले विथ यू, आई एम गोना बी विथ अनुष्का. पोडियम में जब हम पीछे खड़े थे, आकांक्षा वाज देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, उस पॉइंट पे ही चेंज्ड. सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट मी क्वेश्चनिंग अ वुमन और अ मैन. इट्स वेरी, अगेन स्टीरियोटाइप इज कमिंग, वेरी ओल्ड टॉपिक. दिस इज जो कि हमेशा औरत को ही क्यों क्वेश्चन किया जा रहा है. नहीं, मैं इतना एजुकेशन मेरे में है कि मैं ऐसा नहीं करूँगी. जो इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ, जो ऑफ कैमरा वाली चीज है ना, वो आते नहीं है बाहर. आई विश कि 24/7 कैमरा होता.
ऑफ कैमरा अब तक जो एपिसोड हुए वो ऑफ कैमरा हुआ है तो बोल सकते हो.
इट वाज अ प्लान. इट वाज अ प्लान.
व्हाट प्लान?
कि मेरा और मोहित का प्लान था. वी नेवर ब्रोक अप.
जब तक ये एपिसोड आएगा तब तक तो आ ही जाएगा.
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट वीक आ रहा है ना भाई. हाँ,
It was a plan. We didn't want to do it with Akanksha. We wanted to do it with Zalak because Akanksha was already in a very bad place. But it is her who did it. मोहित ने उसको मना कर दिया था रात को.
So you guys pretended to have a fight.
Yeah.
Why?
क्योंकि मेरे पास कौन सा कार्ड है? कौन सा कार्ड है मेरे
पैसा
पास?
कार्ड.
जो कि मैंने पैसा चूज किया था लास्ट वाला डोम में,
प्यार.
जो कि प्यार है. तो मेरे पास प्यार का पावर कार्ड है. नाउ शो ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो चुका है. एक हफ्ता बचा था टू बिकम द लास्ट आइडल मैच ऑफ द सीजन. एंड फॉर अ फैक्ट आई न्यू, मेरे को पैसा नहीं जिता सकता, मेरे को प्यार जिता सकता है. एंड मुझे और मोहित को कोई वोट नहीं करेगा टू गो इन फ्रंट ऑफ द ऑरेकल. So I had to get eliminated. I had to be on the safe side to use my power card. So that I use it and I go in the oracle with him. And that's why I wanted Mohit to be on the safe
I
side.
have a question.
Yeah.
While there will be a section praising this calculation that you have done because it might have worked in your favor.
Might have. I'm not saying anything.
अब तो सब बोल दिया है, it has worked in your favor. But there will also be a section.
This,
whose
I haven't said
possibly-
that it has worked. I've said that this was my plan.
Okay. So while there is a section that might appreciate the calculation that you've done, which is great for the game, but there will also be a section that is already like on your side for what Mohit has done to you. They will judge you for doing this.
Yeah.
They are going to turn against you. Like, honestly speaking, when I didn't know, if I wasn't somebody who knew you or liked you, I also would have questioned this, honestly.
Okay, so this is the truth bomb which even the channel doesn't know. And I didn't say it to anywhere, by the way, Nan. Let me be very upfront. Even मोहित भी कभी अगर ये couch में आएगा उससे भी पूछ सकते हो.
हमने मोहित के बारे में रील डाल दिया है अभी और वो मेरे पे भी बैकफायर करने वाला है. वाओ, थैंक यू मैडम.
It's okay, I doesn't speak, that's okay. So basically, we had a fight.
Oh, you did.
Yeah, initially, just for one day.
But you used it.
हम लोगों ने सॉर्ट कर लिया
हाय
था.
हाय मास्टरमाइंड.
हमने सॉर्ट कर लिया था. ऑफ कैमरा वाली बात है. रात को ही सब सो जाते थे तब मैं और मोहित ने मीट किया एंड वी सॉर्टेड इट आउट एंड इज लाइक यार कल से बहुत हो गया, कल से फिर से हम प्लेइंग विद। आई सेड नो, दिस इज आवर चांस, बिकॉज मोहित को पैसा बचा सकता है, मुझे प्यार बचा सकता है, गेटिंग मी? तो मोहित अगर अनसेफ साइड में आ जाएगा, उसका एलिमिनेशन के चांसेस है, उसको कोई स्प्लिट कॉल देके बचाएगा नहीं। तो आई सेड यू प्ले विद अ गर्ल, you be at the safe side. Now when people will dump me any which ways, now I don't have a connection, so that time I'll use my power card and I'll choose you to go into the oracle. Is it new season खत्म होने आ रहा है यार, अभी कुछ दिनों में खत्म हो जाएगा।
I have a question.
Yeah, of course.
I have to. हाय धक्का लग गया मुझे, अब लग रहा है।
तो पूरी इंडिया को लग जाएगा।
चलो अच्छी बात है ये तो, फिर हम लोग ये एपिसोड आने के बाद ही ये वाला एपिसोड डालेंगे। बट मेरा एक सवाल है कि if we talk about what has happened right now till now, one thing that I am very shocked by, I absolutely agree with people empathizing with what Akansha went through when Yogesh wala thing happened. Okay, she had a connection with him for 20 days and she keeps on saying that the connection was so real from my side and she felt hurt, and I absolutely agree she was hurt. But everybody in the villa, most people, they empathized and sympathized for Akanksha. When Mohit does the same to you and not knowing that it's a plan, like I didn't know, so I'm pretty sure they didn't.
They
the time
were
it was
very happy,
revealed.
let me tell you, Nan, and it broke me. They were very happy. When Kyra, for a fact, now that you're saying that she likes me or not, she was also very happy. ठीक है, उन लोगों की भी गलती नहीं, उन लोगों को शायद से लग रहा था कि मैं गेम खेल रही हूँ, बट यही होता है पता है। आकांक्षा को इतना सिंपैथी मिला, एम्पैथी मिला जस्ट बिकॉज वो फूल वाली लड़की है, वो रोती है, रो देती है कैमरा के सामने। और मेरी मम्मा ने एक चीज़ बोल दिया था, जैसे आपने बोला ना देवी माँ को मानते हम, हमारे घर में बेटियाँ रोते नहीं हैं। मेरे पापा मम्मा ने एक चीज़ बोल दी, तू कभी जाके रोएगी नहीं, कभी अगर कैमरा के सामने रो दिया था तूने, हम रो डालेंगे। तो I kept that in my mind always. I always used to go back into my room. Reality used to get over and I used to cry. Mohit also knows that. Like I used to lock myself in the washroom.
But did it hurt you when nobody stood up for another
very
woman?
much, very much. I was like, इतना क्या मैंने तुम लोगों को मेरा दिमाग दिखा दिया that you are thinking that it's all fake. मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा था कि how can you guys be happy कि एक connection टूट रहा है यार।
But can I say something? Girls on Splitsvilla 16 have bigger balls than men on the show. It's a fact. When you speak about Akansha, you said that you know Akansha from before the show.
Yeah.
There are many allegations that have come from both sides, right? Like about the whole.
I never started it. She started it. By
But live में आपने बोला.
तो obviously retaliate तो
क्या
करूँगी
हुआ
ना।
था? Because बाबा ये शोभा live I can't.
You were there in the live, but.
Yeah, I was
Yes,
there, but I
right.
came. I'll tell you, I came when you had already spoken half.
अच्छा.
I really didn't know what you were talking. I get a notification like, oh, this person has gone live. That could be 16, 17 minutes ago. I just go. I'll be very honest. I go just like how Diptanshu was live. We were not there from the beginning,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
We just went. I just wrote 1 or 2 comments, and if that person read it, I am out of it. I'm not hearing the live. I'm being honest. I'm very lazy. like
Right.
that.
हाँ.
So what happened?
So मुझे ये सुजैन ने भी बताई है और दीक्षा ने भी बताई है, वो दोनों, and both of their words, like the words they have used, it's same, like literally the same.
Like.
तो both of them can't lie because वैसे भी सुजैन एंड दीक्षा they are not friends, so ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मुझे भड़काने के लिए मुझे बोला होगा। ये सच में बोला है ना, आकांक्षा herself accepted it in some interview. आकांक्षा ने accept भी किया है, I think. So basically what she said is Miss Universe India में तो इसका कोई दोस्त नहीं था because she used to perform black magic in her room. And
She has accepted that she said black magic.
Yeah.
I don't think so. In my interview, she never accepted that she said black magic.
no, but I got to know from some other interview it might have.
In my interview, she's accepted the fact that there was some. I was going to play the interview only because Abhi aayi hai. She's accepted the fact that.
Can you show me once again?
Yeah, I will. I have
wanna
to
see.
find it. Matlab the part because
And also the other statement was मेरे पापा ने बदतमीजी की फिनाले नाइट पे, मैं उसमें भी आती हूँ।
She claims that you said that her father created a scene in the this in
Yeah.
India.
110% accurate.
Is that has that happened?
Yeah. And मतलब literally पूरा Miss Universe India organization, the director and the contestants that were with me that time, जिन्होंने पूरा देखा है ये, सब मुझे बोल रहे हैं चल लाइव चलते हैं, आज इसका भांडा फोड़ते हैं। जब इसका वो लाइव
अच्छा।
आया ना, रील जो मेरे पास आई, मैंने अपने सबको भेज दिया कि चल भांडा फोड़े इसका भी, तो सबने मुझे कहा कि चल चलते हैं।
क्या हुआ?
तो बेसिकली टॉप 20 में नहीं आई वो, एंड मैं भी नहीं आई थी। तो अब हम सब वी आर वेरी लो, मैं अपनी दोस्त, हम सब है ना वी आर इमोशनल, हम आंसू आ रखे हैं। उतने में मैं देखती हूँ कि हम बाहर आ गए बैक स्टेज, ऐसे निकल के हम कॉरिडोर में आ गए, उधर है ना उसके लड़ाई चल रही है कुछ, तो आवाज आ रही है बहुत तेज। तो मैंने बाहर आके देखा, तो मेरे साथ मेरी दोस्त भी थी, तो कंटेस्टेंट थी, फाइनलिस्ट थी, तो उसके पापा ना बहुत चिल्ला रहे थे कि मेरी बेटी को नहीं जिताया,
इसीलिए बोलती है डम है बहुत यार,
कहाँ है वो,
बहुत डम्ब लड़की, डम्बेस्ट गर्ल ऑफ स्प्लिट्सविला 16।
गालियां दी, और जब गाली दी ना तब मैं ऐसे हुई थी भाई,
गाली दिया।
मैंने ये सब नहीं देखा था कि ऐसा होता है बिहाइंड द सीन्स।
I'll call few. Can I call few Miss India
तो
girls?
Up to you.
आप इसका मैं फोड़ती हूँ अभी।
ऐसे गेट वेट खोलने लग गए, सारे बाउंसर्स वगैरह हमको रोक रहे हैं लिटरली, ऐसे पकड़ के। वो बोले कहाँ है डायरेक्टर, मेरे को बात करनी है उससे, ये वो। और फिर ये सारा सीन हुआ, उसके बाद वो उठ के चले गए। ठीक है, अगर हम टॉप 20
समझ लिया।
फिर भी विनर का अनाउंसमेंट जब होती है, क्राउनिंग होती है, तो तुम्हें रहना पड़ता है टू बी ऑन द स्टेज और ताली वाली मारने के। तो वो चली गई, वो उठ के चली गई, अपने पापा के साथ बैग पैक करके चली गई। फिर अगले दिन वो लाइव आई, और लाइव आके उसने बहुत सारी चीजें बोली अगेंस्ट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। तो उसमें लाइव जैसी वो जा रही थी, उसको ऊपर नोटिफिकेशन आता है कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने उसको डिफेमेशन का केस ठोक दिया, पता नहीं कितने लाख करोड़ रुपए का था वो। तो
ये क्या है रे, इसको पागल है क्या ये लड़की?
बोल भी कैसे रही, क्योंकि ये लाइव वो खुद आई है, वो खुद ने लाइव में आके उसने बोला है कि भाई डिफेमेशन का केस आ गया, ये वो। लिटरली पूरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को पता है कि क्या हुआ था उस दिन, क्या सीन हुआ था। उसके बाद भी वो पापा को बिठा के कंप्लेंट, जैसे प्रिंसिपल के सामने बिठा देते ना पापा को, वैसे करके।
But when did this comment about the, like when did this come out? Like when did you?
So basically जब दीक्षा में और सुजैन दोस्त थे, तो ये मैंने दीक्षा और सुजैन को बताया था।
क्यों?
मतलब तब अलग-अलग बताया था या साथ बताया था, मुझे याद नहीं, पर मैंने बताया होगा, मुझे ऐसे याद नहीं कि मैंने बताया था। तो अभी अब
बताया होगा, याद नहीं है कैसे?
उसको बस मेरा नाम खराब करना है, पूरा कलंक लगा के मानेगी वो। तो
तेरा नाम वैसे भी खराब है।
रोज एक दिन लाइव आती है, मेरी दोस्त मुझे बोलने लगा कि सुन आज ना एक कंट्रोवर्सी आने वाली है। मैंने कहा क्यों, क्या हुआ? कहती सुन वो दीक्षा है ना 7 बजे लाइव आ रही है। रोज का हो गया। तो उसने दीक्षा ने बेसिकली इसको अनुष्का को बोला कि मैंने ऐसे बोला है, और फिर उसने लाइव में आके बोला कि हाँ सुजैन ने भी मुझे बोला था, दीक्षा ने भी मुझे बताया कि मेरे पापा ने आके सीन क्रिएट किया था। तो मैं तो ऐसे सोच रहा हूँ कि तू बोल कैसे रही है लाइव में आके, मैंने तो प्राइवेटली अपने दोस्तों को बताई थी बात, तू पूरे जनता के सामने फॉर व्हाट, फॉर क्लाउड अपने पापा को लाके झूठी बोल रही है। मैं तो अभी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ लाइव आके मैं तो कर दूंगी, मैं कर दूंगी।
उसको करने को बोला ना, मैं आकांक्षा को कॉल करूं क्या?
बोला है कि चल
I can call her literally.
Point where you said something related to Anushka.
I'll just literally call her right now. Stop it. Okay. You know, इसने क्या बोला कि मैं ये करूंगी, वो करूंगी, मैं करके दिखाती हूँ। चलो, मैं बोलूंगी नहीं,
I don't think it is.
मैं करके दिखा देती हूँ। Okay, I'll let me call one of my fellow friend from Miss Universe India. इसने क्या बोला अभी कि लाइव में आके उसका एक्सपोज करते हैं। क्या एक्सपोज करेगी? Oh, let me tell you, I was a student of Beauty High Academy. मैं स्टूडेंट थी, जो डायरेक्टर है उसका स्टूडेंट थी मैं। Now I'll tell you exactly what had happened, and I will also video call few people from the competition. इस लड़की ना, इसका प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या है? ये बहुत डम है। कभी कभी इतना डम बन जाती है ना, चीजें उसके ऑपोजिट में चली जाती है। कितना टाइम इसका सिंपैथी चलेगा रे बाबा? नहीं है वो ऐसा, मतलब शी इज नॉट दिस फूल वाली लड़की, शी इज वेरी इविल। हो गया बस, लोगों का माँ बाप को लाके उनके ऊपर डालना। अगेन एज आई सेड, आई डोंट लाइक सैंडी दैट मच, शी इज नॉट माई फ्रेंड, बट जो गलत है आकांक्षा ने, वो गलत किया है, उसके माँ बाप को लाया बीच में, दैट इज रॉन्ग।
सैंडी ने भी बोला है कि उसके माँ बाप को गोरिल्ला या कुछ बोला है।
yes now you tell me something. चलो मिस यूनिवर्स
Did
इंडिया
that
में
happen
तो
in front of you?
which one?
This gorilla thing.
मेरे सामने तो कुछ और हुआ था।
क्या?
your mom and dad is should be ashamed to have a daughter like you. Who the hell are you to speak? तेरे माँ बाप बहुत खुश है. पूरी बात क्यों नहीं बताई? By the way, did she tell you that in Miss Universe India I got the title of the most talented girl? Did she tell you that? She didn't win anything. I got a subtitle rather. Did she tell you that?
What's the truth? What actually happened?
I'll tell you. I have pictures also. So, टॉप 20 अनाउंस होने जा रहा है एंड हमारा ये था कि जो मिस टैलेंटेड होता है ना वो टॉप 20 में आ जाते हैं. गेटिंग मी नाउ फॉर अ फैक्ट वी ऑल न्यू कि वॉट एवर इट इज कि विनर क्या था, ये नहीं था, वो नहीं था, बट टॉप 20 में जो आने वाला है मिस टैलेंटेड होता है हमेशा. मेरे साथ वो नहीं हुआ. दे डिडंट अनाउंस माई नेम. दे सेड कि लेट अस गो, यू हैव गॉट द मिस टैलेंटेड वाला, आई थिंक कुछ ग्लिच हो गया तो हमें जाके देखना है. बट दिस वाज ऑल्सो नॉट द रीजन वाई my dad was there. My dad and the director of the organization, they knew each other from before. Like I was a student of that organization. तो आपको ना अगर if I want an international gown, जिसकी वियतनामीज गाउन्स होता है जो मेरे लिए कस्टम मेड होता है, तो वो मेरे लिए आया था. I paid. There were many other girls also who paid. It's normal. मेरा गारमेंट नहीं आया था. मेरा नेशनल कॉस्ट्यूम में मेरा गारमेंट आता था. मैं लिटरली नीचे में जो पहनी थी वो मैंने बनाया फिर वहाँ पे. दिस वॉज द पॉइंट. आई शो यू द मेल. आई वॉज द वन हु फर्स्ट मेल द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. दैट इवन लाइक आई हैव लिटरली पेड देम 2 महीने पहले. मेरा गारमेंट अभी तक क्यों नहीं आया था? वाई वुड आई सफर? Which is very valid. I paid, still I didn't get that, and I paid a lot, let me tell you. Hefty amount. Number 1. Number 2 was my dad wanted to give back the Miss Talented sash. जो मुझे sash और crown मिला था वो वापस देना चाहते थे and वो दे दिया वापस. So I'll show you that because she has said the half thing. She should mention why. Like she didn't even mention I was Miss Talented. I'll show you. So it was my dad who went and gave back the sash and we left very politely, very peacefully.
No jhagda, no commotion.
No jhagda nahi, but he wanted to speak to he wanted to speak to the director and the director came also and like after that they spoke. It is sorted. I came live because I wanted people to know don't pay a lot of amount into all these organizations because at the end they don't clear, like they don't go ahead with the promises which they make. क्योंकि मेरे साथ जो हुआ था वो गलत था. जो मैंने बोला गलत है. अब I was the one, and it's not only me by the way. There are 6-7 other girls who has sent a notice to rather the organization. हमने नोटिस भेजा है, उन्होंने नहीं भेजा था. I'll show you. Yeah. So you can also add the screenshots by the way because this girl needs to stop. Now I get it why she has a lot of rage against me. Me being very nice to her. I have always, मैंने फुटेज के लिए कभी नहीं किया. मैंने ये नहीं दिखाती हूँ कि मैं आकांक्षा के साथ हूँ. ठीक है, मैं नहीं दिखाती हूँ. बट ask her once कि उसके साथ मैं जब भी इवेंट में मिलती हूँ I always have treated her very nicely.
Even after this whole live thing?
Yeah. I went to her literally. I said, I hugged her. I also said, if you ever need me, just call me. I don't understand how can people stoop so low. The thing is, success का आप जब सीढ़ी चढ़ जाते हो ना, आप सोचते हो कि oh my God, you're the most dominating one over you. Nobody can come. But it's wrong. The bubble एक दिन हो जाता है खत्म. अब शो खत्म होगा ना, आप देखो तब. So I'll show you. I was the one who won. By the way, Akanksha didn't get any title in Miss Universe India. She was not even a state winner. अब मैं भी बहुत कुछ बोल सकती हूँ. How she entered the competition last moment. I can also tell a lot of things. I was the crown winner of Miss Universe Odisha. I represented Odisha into the platform. और एक crown winner, मतलब एक state का winner बनना is a very big thing. By the way, let me tell you. वो राजस्थान से, वो जयपुर से दिया था. I think वो बॉम्बे से भी audition दिया था. दोनों बारी वो हार गई. But then she came as a wild card. तो स्टेट में ही जो बंदी हार जाती है, मतलब अगेन नो ऑफेंस, बट जस्ट बिकॉज शी इज सेइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स इसीलिए आई एम रिटेलिएटिंग, वरना मैं ये सब आके कभी नहीं बोलती। तो उसको शायद से कभी वो स्टेट का क्राउन ही नहीं मिला, उसको पता है अनुष्का को मिला, एंड अनुष्का को सब टाइटल मिला, मिस टैलेंटेड ऑफ द बैच। अनुष्का को बहुत अदर चीजें भी मिली थी शो में, शायद से इसीलिए वो गुस्सा है। And let me tell you, Reddit people, by the way, these are the screenshots which my fans have given it to me. ये मेरा इतना टाइम ही नहीं है देखो।
But will you send me the screenshot of the mail?
I'll do it. See, this is my GC. This is my group chat. My fans are sending. It's going viral now. Everyone is watching the pageant all over, and they have got to know what is the truth. So this girl needs to stop now. It's a lie. And also about the mail. Please do attach the mail, ना? Please do attach the mail. Mail भी दिखा देती हूँ मैं क्या हुआ था. See my mail. For your kind information, I'll show you. For your kind information, I've never said anything disrespectful about the organization in my life I'm talking about. I paid full amount for everything, still I didn't get everything delivered before the finale. My national costume was not complete in spite of paying so much. My shoe wasn't there, my jewelry wasn't there, my gowns were not fitted properly. I have all the proofs and I've paid the full amount, and that's what I have shared. Apart from this, I have no intention of harming the image of the organization. And then they called me and they said, let's sort this issue. And we sorted. I'm still the reigning Miss Universe Odisha, by the way. I still have the crown with me. Miss Universe Odisha. I'm still the reigning Miss Universe Odisha. My title's still there with me.
Do you think you and Akansha can ever be friends?
No. She's a very evil person.
What were you going to tell her over a call? When you said
कि सच क्यों नहीं बताया? सच बताती क्या हुआ था? I just showed you the mail. I just showed. And you know what I'll tell you? I was the first one to protest. After that, there are 4 or 5 other contestants who did the same thing. तो उन लोगों को भी same issue हुआ था.
I have a question now. A lot of people actually have said things about Akansha in their lives.
Yeah, that's all true.
Okay.
It's
Now-
all true.
Now the point is that a lot of people, a section of the audience also feels that everybody is suddenly coming up and springing all the I'm not saying they're not factual, but what people are thinking and they're in their
But
position.
not many
because they're-
people are thinking, by the way. जैसे मैंने ये
No,
चीजें
no, but they
दिखाई.
are thinking that just because she's getting a certain amount of following, that every contestant is coming and now suddenly targeting her.
नहीं, but just go to our comment section now and see. यार पता है the best thing about the audience is, Nayan, audience ना neutral होते हैं. And कभी ना audience को पता चलती है सच. By the end of the show, mark my words. You yourself will call me. By the way, me and Nayan, we are very good friends. So you yourself will call me and you'll tell me that I was right. कितना झूठ बोलेगी यार, कितना झूठ बोलेगी. पूरा लाइव परफॉर्मेंस है मिस यूनिवर्स इंडिया का यूट्यूब में, क्यों झूठ बोल रही है लड़की. रेडिट पे आ क्या देखो, क्या was Miss Talented. And my dad just went to give the sash back.
But was there a fight? Was there a verbal fight? She has said that there was a verbal fight. She never
नहीं
said
गाली
what it
वाली
was
दिया
about.
है. What are you saying? She just said कि गाली दिया
हाँ.
है.
Gali.
You really think my dad will do that?
No, I'm just asking. It's
Never.
not about what I think.
Never. You think that एक director को मेरे पापा गाली दे रहे. My papa is not a political leader or something. If my dad is doing that, आपको नहीं लगता वो केस ठोक देता मेरे ऊपर, या फिर मेरा क्राउन ले लेता? मेरा क्राउन अभी भी मेरे साथ है.
How did this matter get resolved? Because there was legal conversation about a legal recourse.
It got resolved afterwards. They said that we're sorry for this thing. Mainly outfit ka. It got resolved. That's it.
Are you still in touch with the director?
No, we're not in touch. Because अभी भी मेरा रेंज चल रहा है. अभी next जब मिस यूनिवर्स इंडिया आएगा तब I have to pass the crowd. But it's just there. That's it. Akanksha, from the other end, she should not have any touch because she's not a crown holder. मैंने मेरा फिनाले में मुझे जो सैश और क्राउन मिला था मिस टैलेंटेड का, वो मैंने वापस कर दिया था. मेरे पापा ने वापस दे दिया था. Not for once my dad used to slang. Like, see, I'm telling you, the director, he's very good with social media. He would have definitely come and raised his voice agar aisa hota. My dad was mad. I won't lie. He was mad because of the things which was happening. And he just spoke. He said, what you have done is wrong. Because mera finale gown jo tha, wo fit hi nahi tha. I was stripping because of my gown.
When we talk about Akansha recently, much after we did the podcast, 2-3 days after, I see this post where Ruru has come out and claimed that so Ruru and Yogesh had a fallout just the next day after our interview. Okay, and the next to next day they have all made allegations at each other, Ruru and Yogesh, and eventually Ruru has come and said that apparently Saurabh made Akansha and Yogesh meet and all of that. Do you have any clue about it? Do you feel like if it comes out or turns out to be true, that what is your opinion? I want to ask.
It is true, I feel. And कुछ दिन पहले ही योगेश और आकांक्षा मिला भी था.
कहाँ?
I think शुभांगी के घर पे. I really feel bad for Ruru. Again, she's not my friend. It's from a neutral point I'm saying. Because Ruru really loves Yogesh. Really. हमारा एक रेड कार्पेट था. We were there. You were also there for a fact. I've seen her only crying throughout the evening. Yes. Throughout the evening she was crying. Throughout the evening that girl was crying. Even once the red carpet was, लोग ऐसे भी बोलते हैं ना, दिखाने के लिए करते हैं. Even when the red carpet was over, we went at a house party. There also she was crying.
No, but how do you know that they met? Yogesh and Akansha. I don't
GC में, क्योंकि जिस दिन शुभांगी, I think that girl, same day का ही था. She was wearing the same cloth. I don't know if it's there or not. Actually मैं GC में नहीं हूँ. मेरे को मेरे एक दोस्त ने भेजी. She showed me. See, I think they both of them are together. या हो सकता है ना मीट किया ऐसा कुछ कि सब है. ऐसा नहीं उन्होंने अलग से मीट किया, but they were there.
How would you react if Yogesh and Akansha patch up eventually?
I don't need to react. Who am I to react? Let the audience react.
What would you say?
Nothing. Nothing.
Do you see that coming? The way you're saying.
I don't know.
Yogesh is a friend of yours.
But not that great friend. Like we hardly speak. Hardly speak. Just DM me ek do baat, that's it. I don't know. But I do feel like Ruru is very hot. Which is not right. Again. जहाँ पे योगेश गलत था, आकांक्षा सही थी. मैंने आकांक्षा का स्टैंड लिया. जहाँ पे योगेश अभी भी गलत है और रूरू सही है इस बार, तो मैं रूरू की साइड पे हूँ. हाँ, दिस आई फील फॉर श्योर. इफ यू, जैसे कि मैं एक इंसान हूँ, इफ आई लव समवन, मैं ऐसे सोशल मीडिया में आके बोलूंगी नहीं चीजें. पहले आई विल फर्स्ट डिस्कस विथ माई पार्टनर. बट अगेन, वी ऑल आर डिफरेंट. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर ऑल डिफरेंट इंडिविजुअल्स, राइट? सो उसने लिख दिया. बट दिस आई डोंट सपोर्ट फॉर श्योर कि उसने ऐसे इंटरनेट पे लिखते. बिकॉज इंटरनेट में ना लिखने इट्स वेरी इजी, पता है, पर उसका जो कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस होता है ना बाद में, दैट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. तो ये जो लोग मुझे भी बोलते हैं कि पहले आपने मोहित के बारे में क्यों नहीं बोला, क्यों नहीं लिखा, सोशल मीडिया में डालना चाहिए था. क्यों करो यार, ट्राई कर रही थी रिलेशनशिप सेव हो जाए.
Will you be able to forgive Mohit?
I don't hate him. I don't hate him. It's okay. We parted ways. I mean, ठीक है. We're strangers.
Familiar strangers.
Yeah, something like that.
Diptanshu.
Yeah.
Sandy is upset about Diptanshu, of course. Like after the show, she found out that he possibly could have been in a relationship. He claims
No, she
that he
knew
wasn't.
though.
He claims that he had broken up and then they have
But
reconnected after the
दीप्तांशु
show.
ने तो ये बोला है ना कि उसने सैंडी को बोल दिया था.
Not that, but that.
No, during the show we all knew.
What did you know? Diptanshu has said that he broke up before the show, then he did the show, then he came out and reconnected.
We all knew. At least me and Mohit, तो we knew that he was in a relationship. कपड़े आते थे उसके लिए, बहुत अच्छे कपड़े आते थे. वो भी इसी थी. स्वीट है, मतलब अगर दीप्तांशु ने बोल दिया होगा सैंडी को पहले से कि आप, जो कि मुझे नहीं पता है, अगर बोल दिया होगा वेल एंड गुड. अगर नहीं बोला होगा दैट्स रॉन्ग. That's terribly wrong. आप डेटिंग शो में आ रहे हो, आप किसी किसी के साथ 50 दिन रूम शेयर कर रहे हो गेम्स खेल रहे हो, तो वो तो बहुत गलत है.
Among all the claims made, there was also a claim made that you, and there was a proof shown with your voice note and everything.
और सौरभ
where you
निहारिका.
threatened Saurabh. What is-
I'll show this screenshot as well. मेरे को मैं वेट कर रही थी. So basically, I was the one who replied to Saurabh's story, seeing a video, जहाँ पे he is saying this.
योगेश आकांक्षा और गौरेश आकांक्षा, मतलब क्या क्या पूछ रहे हो तुम मुझे? मतलब ऐसे चूज कर सकता हूँ भाई? नहीं, योगेश और आकांक्षा ज्यादा बड़ी लगते हैं. उससे अच्छे बहुत ज्यादा सदफ और निहारिका. मतलब तुम्हें क्या लगता है मैं क्या want to say? अरे उसे बोलो तू कुछ प्लान करती पहले शो में आके. वो क्वीन नहीं है, वो क्यों है? वो
So?
मोहित के साथ भी क्यों है? मेरे पास अगर मोहित पहले दिन से होता ना, वो सब खेलने नहीं देता.
Hi guys.
और उसको
एक
लगता
तो ये
है
जो
कि-
अंकल है हमारा शो का सबसे बुजुर्ग इंसान, बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करती हूँ मैं करती हूँ यार.
But don't age him like that.
No, I'm not age shaming. It is true.
Buzurg is age shaming.
बहुत नहीं बुजुर्ग है.
I'm
अरे
more
नहीं
buzurg.
यार.
I'm more buzurg
अरे
than Saurabh.
नहीं. Who is telling you all
I
these
am
things?
more buzurg than Saurabh.
No. अरे बुजुर्ग वो दिमाग से भी बहुत बुजुर्ग है.
अच्छा.
वो पेट्रियर्कल का माइंडसेट है, इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ. बुजुर्ग मैंने क्यों बोला? मेरे से सीनियर है ना मॉडलिंग में, इसलिए बुजुर्ग बोला.
Okay.
चलो मुझे
Go
भी
ahead.
मैनिपुलेशन आता है.
But what?
So, who is he to first say that I would have not let Mohit play? Isn't it controlling? Is your friend a child? वो खुद के मर्जी से मेरे पास आता है. आप कौन होते हो बोलने वाला? तो मैंने क्या लिखा भी, इसका रिप्लाई देखो. आप रिप्लाई भी देखो. आज सब पत्ते खोलूंगी मैं. कोई इंटरव्यू में जाकर नहीं दिखा दी. तुम्हारे इंटरव्यू में दिखा दी. अभी मैंने लिखा व्हाट द फक इज योर प्रॉब्लम ब्रो, व्हाट द हेल. तू होता कौन है मोहित को खेलने देने वाला? एंड व्हाट इज दिस बुलशिट? आई थॉट यूर अ फ्रेंड, बिकॉज लिटरली वी वर वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स, मी एंड सौरभ. नेवर स्पोकन एनीथिंग अगेंस्ट यू, ऑलवेज प्रेज्ड यू, बट नाउ वेट. तुम लोगों का ये चीप हरकतें बंद करना जरूरी है, ठीक है? अब इसका रिप्लाई देखो. इसका रिप्लाई इसने क्यों लिखा, इसने क्यों मेरे अगेंस्ट बोला? देखो कितनी डम्ब है ये. नो वंडर वाई 60% ऑफ द शो हो गया एंड सौरभ दिखा ही नहीं. हिमांशु के पीछे घूमता रहता था. नो वंडर वाई. भाई आकांक्षा के बारे में झूठ बोलना बंद कर. इसका रिप्लाई ये है. मैंने बोला तू पागल है, तूने खुद सुना है मुझे बोलते हुए? तूने सुना है? मतलब मैं उसको पूछ रही हूँ, मैंने कुछ गलत बोला आकांक्षा के बारे में? उस टाइम पे कुछ नहीं हुआ था मेरा आकांक्षा का. हम सच ही बोलते हैं अनुष्का. तेरी धमकी का मेरे पर कोई असर नहीं होगा क्योंकि मैं कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता. मेरा धमकी कहाँ पे है? एंड ऑल्सो मैं वॉइस नोट सुनाऊंगी. कहाँ पे धमकी है?
वॉइस में प्ले करूँ?
मैं प्ले करवाती हूँ. सुनो, पूरा इंडिया सुनेगा ये. ओके.
Expose. ये
Not
episode ही
expose,
है.
not
मेरा तो
exposing,
हेडलाइन
जो
ही भाई exposes.
जो
I'm
सच
sorry
है.
to say, but I will write
पूरा
exposes.
वॉइस सुनाओ ना. मैं तो ये बोलती हूँ भाई, तुम क्यों आधा वॉइस सुना रहे हो? तुम पूरा वॉइस सुनाओ, जबकि तुम्हें पता है मेरे पास है, प्रूफ है मेरे पास. सुनो, पहले से कैसे प्ले करते हो?
Yeah, that is not how my character
थोड़ा जोर करो.
अरे बट प्ले नहीं हो रहा है पहले से.
मेरे को दो.
is.
ये वाला सुनो.
ये वाला. Second one.
फर्स्ट सेकंड वन एंड फर्स्ट वन. आगे पीछे हो गया ये.
मैं लाइफ में आके कभी कुछ गलत किसी के बारे में नहीं बोला. तुम लोग ये सब कर रहे हो ना चीप हरकतें. दिस प्रूव्स दैट हू यू गाइस आर, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग. ठीक है?
पहले से चला दो एक बार.
तुम लोगों के अगेंस्ट कभी कुछ नहीं बोला. तुम लोगों का बहुत रीलें मुझे आती है, बहुत. पर तू बोलेगा कभी ये मुझे पता नहीं था. तेरी आकांक्षा बोल सकती whatever you know she wants she can do. पर तू बोलेगा ये मुझे कभी नहीं लगा था. सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. पता है दुनिया में ना तुम लोग जो कर रहे हो अभी शो के बाहर आके एक दूसरे को नीचा दिखा रहे हो. मतलब दिस इज सो हॉरेंडस ब्रो, सो हॉरेंडस. मैंने कभी जो इन द एपिसोडिक इंटरव्यू हो रहा है वहां पे सिर्फ पीओपी पॉइंट रख रही हूँ. बट अगेन लाइव में आके मैं तुम लोगों के बारे में कभी कुछ गलत नहीं बोल रही हूँ. तू एक दिखा दे मैंने गलत बोला है किसी के बारे में, क्योंकि दैट इज नॉट हु आई एम. I won't stoop this low like you guys. So shut up, stop doing it, Saurabh. Otherwise, I'm telling you, I'm not threatening you, but things are going to be very, very, very wrong for you. कोई नहीं, कल शायद से MTV की टीम से कॉल चला जाएगा, तो भी बात कर लेना.
And आया भी
One
था.
thing I'm telling you, stop using my fucking name, Saurabh. I have nothing against you, but if I start using your name, बहुत बुरा हो जाएगा.
क्योंकि I already knew about Apurva.
मेरा फैन फॉलोइंग अब कैसा हो गया है, राइट? You very well know that. So please stop using it.
What is your take on this whole Apurva and
No.
Saurabh?
First, I want to ask you. ये जो पूरा वॉइस है, ये क्यों नहीं सुनाया? सिर्फ कट करके क्यों सुनाया? जहाँ पे I'm saying I have a fan following. पूरा वॉइस सुनाता ना? दम है तो. दम है तो पूरा वॉइस सुनाता. I was being very polite to him. I was like, you're my friend. How could you do this? तेरे साथ तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है, तू मेरे बारे में क्यों बोल रहा है? एंड ये टाइमलाइन भी आप देख लो, उस टाइम का भी, उस टाइम तक मैंने आकांक्षा के अगेंस्ट कुछ नहीं बोला था. देखो टाइमलाइन क्या है. 19th February मेरे बर्थडे के दिन का है ये. उस टाइम पे कुछ नहीं हुआ था. ये तो अभी फिलहाल हुआ मेरा आकांक्षा का. अभी टुडे इज व्हाट, टुडे इज 4th April. मैं सब कुछ दिखा रही हूँ. अप्रैल में हुआ. तो ये जो कट करके इंटरव्यू में ये लोग गंदे चीजें कर रहे हैं, क्यों? मैं तो बहुत दूर जा चुकी हूँ यार इस प्रिंसविला वालों से. कुछ दोस्त हैं जो कि मैं बहुत लकी हूँ, मुझे जिंदगी में मिला है.
कौन?
I told, right? Himanshu, Diksha, Simran is also very nice. By the way, Zalak was also, she was being very nice to me. Party में. Very nice. She literally hugged me and she said कि Anushka, you know what, I really love you. शो में जो हुआ अलायंस नहीं
But
बना था.
that's the thing. एक शो में when you're competing, शो में होता है. After the show, you should forget
नहीं
it and
एक
move
बार
on.
just imagine if I wouldn't have come to your podcast.
इतना जो हो रहा है ना, I'm sorry to say, हम लोगों ने भी शो किया अनुष्का, and with deep respect, this is the first ever Splitsvilla season I'm watching, and I'm only watching the show. I'm not watching the lives because I just feel like it's so dirty out there.
It is dirty.
Yeah,
You're talking
and
about
that's
somebody's armpits. You're talking about I'm getting foul smell from her body, and you being a man, you are laughing, you are clapping. कौन करते हैं भाई इन लोगों को कास्ट? मुझे दिखाओ. I just want to tell you one thing. अगर मैं
No, I've understood.
आपके पॉडकास्ट में आके अगर मैं पूरा सच नहीं दिखाती आज, तो लोग तो मुझे गलत समझ रहे थे ना. तो ये क्यों?
What is your opinion on the whole Apurva and Saurabh thing?
Ruru is not that mad that she will do this for clout. Ruru is the last person to get.
So then what is your opinion?
अपूर्वा का था, ये मुझे भी पता था सौरभ का, इसीलिए मैंने बोला ना. ये थ्रेट मैंने उसको ये नहीं दिया था कि तेरे को हेयर दिलवाऊंगी. ये मैंने बोला था कि मेरे पास भी बहुत कुछ है तेरे बारे में बोलने का, मैं चुप हूँ. ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट वांट टू स्पीक अबाउट एनीबॉडीज पर्सन. अगर वो चीज उसके करियर को इफेक्ट करेगा मैं नहीं बोलूंगी.
Yeah, but the thing is that after they alleged in the first live when Ruru Apurva came live, they said about Saurabh
उसका
and what
पहले ही
happened.
पता था हमें.
And then Saurabh ने भी live करके दिखाया कि उसको मारा गया and पीटा गया. No, come on, that's not.
बट डिड यू गो एंड सी उसने किया है कि नहीं?
अरे it's there in the. Have you seen the chat that she has accepted it? She has accepted it in the
But
chat.
it can be one
and
side
she has
of the
also
story.
accepted it in the live that
I
मैंने
don't
उसको
see.
मारा मेरी
I
गलती.
don't believe Saurabh. Honestly speaking, he's a clout chaser.
No, but Apurva has accepted it in the.
She might
live.
have, but then you don't know both the side of the story. She might have. I'm not supporting any one of them. I'm being neutral right now. But what I believe is, none of them are saint.
Do you think Saurabh and Niharika are a real couple or
No,
a PR couple?
PR couple, of course. इस बार क्या स्प्लिट्सविला का कोई नहीं है. So interestingly, I met one of the team members. Like she's one of the founders. I met her at a cafeteria, and I was just coming out and I met her, and she's like, "How is it going at that time?" And me and Mohit just broke up that point. She's telling me that it's very unfortunate कि इस बार season का कोई भी couple is not there outside. Nobody, no couple.
Kyle and Gullu.
नहीं,
From what I know.
वो तुम्हें पता है, मुझे भी तो पता है ना. 50 दिन मैं रह के आई हूँ यार. देखो मैं भी झूठ बोल सकती थी, मैं मोहित भी एक बार कॉर्डियल आके हम लोग रीले मीले से डाल सकते थे, कर सकते थे अपन. बट आई रियली लाइक्ड हिम, सो आई डोंट वांट टू फेक इट आउट. आई डोंट हैव टू बी पॉपुलर यूजिंग हिज नेम ऑनेस्टली.
Now we are moving into the fun segment where you.
They're completed.
And so you will get a gift from Snitch. Okay.
Okay.
You will get this amazing thing that I have got for you from Snitch. But challenge hai. Okay, I know how much you love challenges. It's called Snitch Fit Check. So
Okay.
basically, I'm going to show you all the male contestants.
Okay.
I will dhako their face.
Okay.
You have to tell me who it is from their fit check,
अरे रे रे.
from their clothes. Okay.
ये मैं सिर्फ मोहित को ही देखा रे शो
Who
में.
is this?
और मैंने दीप्तांशु को देखा सिर्फ शो में.
Who is this? You also have to rate their looks though, out of 10.
I really hate the look, but
Anyway, it's not Snitch, so how do we
Yeah.
care?
I don't know what it is. I don't know.
Who is it?
Hint दो, मुझे नहीं पता.
थोड़ा हाथ देखो.
किसका हाथ देखूं मैं?
चलो.
Is that a tattoo? भोलेनाथ का है?
हाँ.
सौरभ?
Saurabh.
टैटू भोलेनाथ का है ना, इसलिए लाइक आने वाले एपिसोड में होने वाला है कुछ क्रेजी चीज.
Out of 10. Rate. the look.
माइनस. माइनस. नहीं ठीक है. I'll give a solid 4. इसको मैं पक्का जानती हूँ.
Who?
दीप्तांशु. मैंने बोला ना, मैंने दोनों को देखा, सिर्फ मोहित को और दीप्तांशु को पूरे शो में देखा मैंने.
Well, how much will you rate this look?
He's my Tom, so I will rate him 0.
What?
He's my Tom.
You have to rate the look.
Okay, no, it's the fit is good. 8.
8. 8 is a good number.
Yeah.
My favorite, anyway.
No, Sandy was hot.
Why? Sandy will also be okay. She knows I like him. I like Sandy also. Sandy is a very good person. Let's be very honest about it. तुम लोगों में कुछ भी कलेश हो, but Sandy is a
मेरा
nice
किसी के
person.
साथ कलेश ही नहीं है.
हाँ, ये दो.
ये क्या है?
कौन है ये?
I don't know.
इसके साथ भी तुम्हारे कलेश हुए हैं बीच में?
गुल्लू.
चलो.
दो
good.
ही तो थे जो मेरे राइवल्स.
How much? The look.
Very basic. 5.
5.
Yeah.
5. Who is this?
क्यों कर रहे हैं ये सब चीजें?
Who is this? क्यों कर रहे हो? ये कौन है? क्यों कर?
एक सेकंड.
Who do you think it is? क्यों कर रहे हो? क्यों बोला?
ए!
मोहित सोचा?
नहीं.
क्या
एक
सोचा?
सेकंड. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. थोड़ा सा और सबका इतना अच्छा से दिखाया तुमने, मैं जूम करके देखा, मुझे कैसे समझ में आएगा? Is that? I don't know.
कलेश हुआ है तुम्हारा इसके साथ भी?
गौरेश?
No.
No, गौरेश था जो थे. मोहित? No. ये विशु है?
Yeah.
ये विशु? I didn't recognize him.
How much out of 10?
3.
For the fit check? 3?
I don't like him, so I don't like his fit.
Okay. Never mind. How much for this fit check?
ये अब कौन है bro? मेरे को नहीं पता, लोगों में बॉडी नहीं देखती फिरती हूँ. एक सेकंड. गले में चेन है.
हाँ.
थोड़ा सा ठीक से दिखाओ ना.
अब इससे क्या?
मुंह बस बंद करके दिखाओ. मुझे आई नीड टू सी द. दिस इज डेफिनेटली ओए.
No.
ओह शिट. बोल रही
This
है
is
चेन है.
gorge.
गॉडेश वाली चेन.
Now you tell me how much. What's the rate?
Only 7.
Huh?
Looking good. 7. 7.5.
Okay, 7.5. Who is this?
ये नहीं पता मुझे.
Think. He's wearing a snitch jacket though. चलो, I will do it.
तो अच्छा पॉइंट देना है यहाँ
Of
पर.
course.
योगेश.
Yeah, it is
क्योंकि
Yogesh.
हाँ वो दिख रहा है. योगेश. स्निच के लिए सिर्फ दे रही हूँ 8.
8. Lovely. Next one, okay?
मोहित हो
Please rate his look.
अरे यार क्यों कर रहे हो यार.
बताओ.
ठीक है, अच्छा दिख रहा है.
हाँ तो कितना है?
7.58.
Only 8. मन में तो 10 देने का मन हो रहा था.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Prom में तो मैं सिर्फ तुम्हारे साथ जाऊंगी. I like it.
कितना
Just do it.
drama
Just say it.
करता है ना
Say
ये.
it.
No.
Prom में
Never.
तो मैं बस उसी के साथ जाऊंगी.
नहीं.
Really?
Yes.
किसके साथ जाओगी prom में?
अब ये कौन है?
This is also another person who I absolutely love from the show.
चक्षती.
Yes.
बियर्ड है ना, देख लो. बियर्ड है ना इसलिए.
Look.
स्मार्ट ही दिख रहा है. 7.
7.
Actually 6.5.
Why?
ऐसे ही.
I don't think so.
Why you getting?
I think it was-
Why you getting angry? What is this?
Because his fit is way.
Okay, that Diane feels like. Okay, सामने. Cut.
क्या?
Cut.
I feel that his fit was much better. Like Diptanshu, him, Yogesh, I feel. Well,
योगेश
Yogesh also was good.
ऑफ कैमरा अच्छा नहीं लगा. मतलब फिट बहुत अच्छा है और उस पर जज नहीं रहा है.
Ah. Now this is for you from Snitch, which I have picked. And would you believe?
क्यों नहीं दिया मुझे?
Wait. Would you
हाँ.
believe? We
What?
didn't plan anything, right? We didn't plan what you're going to wear. I didn't know what you're going to wear.
Yeah.
But imagine it's called DSDKC, which is
Yeah.
called Dil Se Dil Ka Connection.
Oh
Just
my
see the
God.
color.
Red.
Just see. I just didn't know that it's in the same family.
Let me tell you, I love this color. Oh my god, I loved it. I loved it. What is this inside? There's another thing.
There's another thing, yes.
Yeah, what is this? Oh, it's damn cool.
I think even with this,
It's damn cool. I'm gonna
I think-
take this.
I think you're going to take both. Both are for
but
you. It's
right
not like
now, I'll go out with you for dinner
Ah.
and I'm gonna have this.
yeah, I think this is amazing.
Nice. I really love it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Snitch को.
Snitch को लाया कौन? Snitch में
ठीक
selection
है,
किसने किया?
पहले Snitch को.
Okay.
Thank you, Snitch. I love it and obviously, you know I love you.
I know. Thank you for doing this. This is also for you.
Thank
Please
you.
hold.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anushka, for being a part of the show.
Yeah.
And I'm happy that we could do this. We've been planning it for almost 1.5 months right
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
And
Our
finally,
dates were not aligned.
yeah, because I was home and then तुम
I
Kolkata
was
actually, but I
traveling,
never wanted to shoot
yeah.
it in Kolkata, but I wanted to shoot it in a setup like this. Thank you for being a part of the show and thank you for being you. The world might or will try to put you down because you have a voice
Yeah.
that may not adhere to their norms. But remember this, that it's always better to stand out in a crowd than becoming a crowd yourself. So thank you so much for doing this and being
Thank you for having me, because then you know I absolutely love you. I think since the time I've come out of the show, आपसे जैन में ही बात हो गया था मेरा. After that we have become like best of friends. मेरा रात में कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है, याद है? मैंने 3 बजे इस बंदे को कॉल किया, बोला आ रही हूँ मैं बैग लेके. And he's like, I come. मैं ऐसे फिर कॉल कर रहा है, मैंने बोला यार ठीक है कल सुबह आती हूँ. And he's
और वो
like,
सुबह नहीं आई.
sorry for that.
Ah,
But
that's
इसने
fine.
literally bed बना के रखा था. So it's really, you know, very hard to get a good friend here in our industry. Thank you for being a good friend. I hope you'll always be there, always guide me, always tell me what to do.
Always.
And I'm always here to listen to you, and of course, I love you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for doing this, genuinely.
Oh, sorry, half.